Well, we got our first tropical storm of the season, and fucking frankly, it should have been upgraded 36 hours ago to a tropical storm Andrea. But better late than never. I am thinking they did so because they wanted to put it in the postseason as a name storm. And this is just how conservative AC is. But you have a clearly defined LSC, you have convection, and that's just the way it is. And people are gonna bitch, but hey, I mean, they did the right thing. Um, Data shows 30 to 35 knot winds. Um, it's a tropical storm. And it has been one. Let's be honest, been one for like the last day and a half. I mean, moving 60 by 15 knots is most expected to continue into dissipation. Follow the TVCA and HCCA. Under will be a short-lived tropical storm. Environmental conditions go to hell. Pretty much very hostile. Sea level temperatures plummet. Virgo share increases. Like I didn't expect from this name. This is literally the weakest name there is on one of the weakest names on the list. But hey, a tropical storm nonetheless. Here's the track. Um, in line with the models. Yep, in line with the models, and clearly here's the intensity shows weakening of our tropical storm. Yeah, there's another view of it. Convection now getting shared. Like I keep saying, just because it's shared doesn't mean it doesn't deserve to be upgraded. As a clearly defined LSC, creating the tropical storm force winds. Um, really, in the GFS and the models, it literally doesn't last long enough to really be seen outside of that. It goes over the top of the high. Let's go to 120. Really, there's nothing else for the next 7 days in the lake that even tries to form. Um, Next, we're going to talk about 95L, which now has a 1070, which we have been watching near Central America for the last 5 days. It could gradually develop over the weekend and become a depression. At least that's what the AC is saying. Um, but anyway, I keep being pushed back. There's its track. It could actually be a threat to Mexico, but more likely it stays just offshore. Here's the GFS. Stays offshore, slowly strikes possibly a hurricane based on the GFS. But anyway, it probably will stay just below that. Maybe a mid-level tropical storm. Um, there's 48 hours on GFS. 96 hours on the GFS. We can show you the ECMWF. 1009 CMC. Much less development. Kind of developed a system to the west. 120. Really nothing. CMC is really doesn't like it. Icon actually developed 1002 by the 29th. COZ. ECMWF 1008. GFS. 999 by 144 hours. ECMWF 1007. Yeah. The CMC doesn't even develop it. 68. 994 on the GFS. Right now, I'm going to say something. I mean, I'd say this thing has 55% chance of development based on what I see in the models. And let's show you a satellite image. It always has LSC. It always has convection. So it could actually develop a lot faster based on what we're seeing. But I think environmental conditions are just not favorable for share-wise because a lot of easterly share impacting the system. You have convection here, you have LSC here. But if the models underestimate that and somehow they able to generate convection, stay in this LSC, we could see a depression next 36 hours. But I don't expect to really find favorable conditions until this weekend, based on the models. Which intensity models do strengthen it after about 96 hours. So that's what it's trying to do. It's trying to find favorable conditions for it. But in my opinion, I mean, it wouldn't take that much to be as well defined as Andrea. I mean, now we're gonna go to Western Pacific. I really don't have this channel for that, but why not? CPAT has 55 knot winds. Looks like that. Totally destroyed. Going to move just off Japan. Yeah. $96W, which is a depression according to Japan Meteorology Agency. And now in the China Sea, it's going to move towards China. Yeah. Probably a tropical storm. Let's see if we can actually get this load. Yeah. Pretty broad and unfocused, but I think it was going to become a tropical storm. One more view of Andrea. Our first tropical storm has been for the last 36 hours. I mean, that's your tropical update.